Hello! In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process of your illuminated lettering wall sign. Explanation: each letter will have an individual wire coming out from it, which is to be connected to the low voltage output of the power supply. All high voltage input wiring and power supply connections will be completed by the client's licensed electrician. We will provide an installation pattern showing the mounting locations and wiring hole placements for reference. The power supply. Make sure to decide where you want the power supply box to be placed. If you have a false ceiling, consider placing the power supply box above it so that it stays completely hidden. If you have a concrete ceiling and no access to a concealed space above, check if the wall behind the sign is accessible. Placing the power supply box behind the wall can be a clean and effective solution. If that's not possible, the final option would be to install the power supply box somewhere that's out of sight or as discreet as possible. Taking a moment to plan this will help ensure your installation looks clean and professional. Installation. Let's start installing the sign. Step 1. Position the template. Use the provided paper template and align it using a laser level to ensure it's straight. Step 2. Drill mounting holes. Drill holes at the marked locations on the template. Make sure to use the correct drill bit size for a proper fit. Once done, remove the paper template. Step 3. Prepare the wall surface. Clean the wall thoroughly to remove any dust, debris, or loose particles that could affect adhesion or alignment. Step 4. Pull the wires through the wall to the power supply box and connect them to the low voltage output. Step 5. Install the mounting screws and apply silicone adhesive or construction adhesive to secure each letter in place. Step 6. Final check. Double check that all letters are properly mounted and aligned. Congratulations! Your sign is now installed and ready to shine.